Assalamu alaikum and also namaste.
Namaste.
Thank you.
Yes.
धन्यवाद.
My
No,
name is
Dhanbad is Punjabi.
My
That's not me.
my name is Mr. Khetaram. Today I want to tell about my future goals. So I believe that goals play an important role in everyone's life. Um, if we do not if we do not have any goals, then we can not achieve it. So my biggest role of my life is to become a CSS officer. So now I am facing so many problems in my life, but still now I am doing work hard for my parents, for my future, and inshallah one day I will achieve my goals. And basically my aim to achieve this goal is that I want to serve my nations, especially backward area of my hometown, Tharparkar, Sindh. Thank you so much.
Wow. That's awesome.